A very warm welcome to Tech Mining. In the previous video, you downloaded the free Shotcut video editing software and learned some basic operations that you perform with this software from time to time. In this video, you will learn how to trim unwanted parts of a video in Shotcut. So let's get started. First, double-click the video you want to trim to open the video in the preview pane. Drag the start marker to the point where you want to start this video. Then, bring the out point where you want to finish the video. Add the video to the timeline. You can add a video to the timeline in a couple of ways. For example, you can drag and drop its thumbnail onto the timeline. Or, you can use this plus icon to append it. Now this 1-minute video clip has been trimmed and it has become 20 seconds long. Click the playhead and press the home key on your keyboard to switch to the start of the video. And press the end key to move to the end. Use the playhead to watch the video from a certain point. Use the space bar on your keyboard to pause and resume the video clip. Another way to trim a video and to remove unwanted parts from it, is to use this split at playhead icon. Move the playhead to the point where you want to start the clip. Hit the split at playhead icon. Mark the end point. Hit the split playhead icon again. Click the marked video area that you want to remove and hit the delete button on your keyboard. Drag a clip and drop it on the previous one to create a transition effect. You will learn about transition in more detail in a subsequent video. While editing videos, you can add static images to them. Images can be displayed as long as you want. Let's see how we can add and extend an image. If you shrink a video in the timeline, and then try to extend it, you cannot drag it beyond its actual length. This is not the case with a picture. If you want a picture to play for a long time, you can drag it as long as you want. That's it. In the next video you will learn some more video editing techniques, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching.